It was so nice of you to come up here to watch me do this, because one of these days you may have to do something like this on your own, and that's when the wet patch roof leak repair is going to be your best friend. This stuff you can even put on when it's raining. That's why it's called wet patch. Okay? And that's why I like to use it. I brought a screwdriver up here. What am I going to use that for? Well, that's because this lid has to come off with the screwdriver. See all these little... Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Okay. See up in here, there's a little place right there where you can put your screwdriver. Like that. Okay. I'm going to have to do that all the way around. Glad I brought my lumbar support brace, because this stuff was heavy. Last thing I want to do is hurt my back getting up on a roof and getting a big heavy container like this up here. Guess I can bend this out a little bit more. Feels like it wants to come off, but I know I'm going to have to get all this anyways to get the lid back on properly. And I only brought one glove up here. I only brought one glove, and I've got just a crummy 3-inch putty knife. I should have brought my other gloves up here, but I didn't. And I've got some paper towels so I can wipe off. When I get that all over myself, I'll show you a trick on how to get that off. Pull this open. Yeah. Okay. So that's my webbing tape. I might kind of want to string it out along here, because once I start going, if I get my hands all mucky, then it's going to be hard to get this back and forth on here. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of hold this out there. In fact, I can go that way, just unroll it, because this is longer than 25 feet, or shorter than 25 feet, this building. Let's get you over here this way. Okay, that way I can cut this before I get my hands all messed up. Okay, I'm gonna cut it right about there. And I could have brought some scissors up here, but I didn't. So I'm gonna hold this here and cut that. It cuts pretty easy. Okay, and I've got a lot more in case I want to put a second layer in the middle or something. I can kind of look at that, look and see this. It all looks about the same, and so I think I'm good to go. Now I got to get into that. Ooh yeah.